currently here at
Whitewater Walk. You're gonna see a lot of nature.
Let me see your outfit. Outfit check. Ako naman.
Outfit check. Ito yung ano yung pinapakain.
We're currently here at where? Yung sa button.
We're at Whitewater Walk.
Exploring Niagara on the other side. Right?
So exciting.
Oh. Kind of exciting. I want to do it.
So exciting.
So exciting. Grabe, it's so hot.
Ganda. Tingnan mo na. Ano yung yard nila? sa side.
Girl, ang ganda. Bray, ito. Nakakuhanan mo?
Harap din na rahat.
Picturean mo yung boat. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. My gosh, picturean mo. Yan tayo nun. Yan tayo nun. Saan ko naman picturean ko?
Tingnan mo.
Oh my God, ang ganda.
Tingnan mo.
Gulatin ko, Bray. Gulatin ko.
Lapitan ko na.
Gulatin ko. Sige, lapitan mo. Naka-video naman eh.
This is brown.
Dali. Dali, gayahin mo gawin. Dali.
This is brown. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa mga walang hiyang. Ibon na nananain ng tao.
We're done. $40 gone real quick.
$40 flat rate parking.
Gone
It's-
real quick.
It's very expensive, so we would
Suggest.
not
Why?
suggest. Because it's expensive.
But it's worth it.
Well, if it was your first time traveling here and like seeing
But
the falls, it's worth it. But if it's your like second time,
pero sa sa New York side,
yeah,
it doesn't have like a entrance fee or parking fee, right? Remember? Yeah.
we didn't have to pay for the parking fee when we were
Yeah.
back in the New York side of the falls.
Mm-hmm.
But here, you really have to pay for the parking and parking for everything. Like we parked earlier near, I think it's a street parking, but it's a paid street parking for the white water walk,
Yeah.
whitewater walk. So yeah, we had to pay $18 for that, and here we had to pay $40 for the flat rate parking. I'm not sure if that's just like the parking for the whole time. I'm not even sure if I have to pay for the parking fee for the next couple hours for my car.
It's flat rate, it says.
So does it mean that it's gonna
Yeah.
take? Okay.
Except for night. There's no night parking.
All right. Because some other parking says flat rate and then add some more like dollars an hour for that.
Yeah. There's a lot like hidden charges. For an example, in our hotel, it doesn't says like there's an additional pay for the parking.
Oh yeah,
for,
yeah. That's another
Yeah.
thing. So we booked in a hotel like 10 minutes away from here at the falls. So it's like 10 minutes away from here, and we thought that the parking fee was already included in our booking, but no.
Mhm.
So we had to pay like, I mean, it's $20 up front, but still hidden
Yep.
charges that you're just gonna know when you're paying up front.
Yeah.
But overall, it's
A good experience.
it's
Yep.
a